Hello. Today I'm gonna show you two ways to create a slip knot. We are gonna use this orange yarn and a crochet hook. As you can see, this is my yarn end or yarn tail, and this is the yarn coming from the ball. So all I'm gonna do is pick up this side that's coming from my yarn ball and just cross it over the yarn end, and I've created a circle here. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna grab my crochet hook and I'm gonna insert the tip of the hook through the circle of yarn, just like that, and then I'm gonna use the hook to grab the ball end of the yarn and pull the yarn through the circle, just like so. And this has now formed a loop on the hook and a loose open knot below the loop. So I'm just gonna grab both ends of the yarn and pull them tight, just like that. We need to make sure that the completed slip knot is tight enough on the hook so it won't fall off the hook, but not so tight that you can barely slide it along the hook shank. For the second way, I'm gonna use my finger, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my yarn with the yarn end on this side, and then I'm gonna wrap the yarn around my finger twice. Then I'm gonna grab the left loop and just cross it over the right one, like that. And then I'm gonna grab this one now and just wrap it around my finger. And that way I've just created a loop around my finger and a slip knot here at the bottom of the loop. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab my crochet hook and just insert it in my through the circle, and then I'm just gonna grab both ends of the yarn and tighten it, and that was it.